And here we are on this impressive covered porch. I mean, you really do get the feeling like you're up in the trees, just looking out the back of the property, great views. And it all starts with Golden Eagle's signature 8x8 hand-hewn timbers. We're not only using them for the post, but we're also using them as the braces going up to the headers. We've got double headers going across the front and the turkey track up above. Just above us, we have our rustic knotty pine tongue and groove ceiling that brings us over to the outdoor fireplace. Now this is the same chase and the same stone that was on the interior duplicated to the exterior. We even raised the hearth just like inside. Just imagine those cool fall nights, you can still sit out here and enjoy the outdoors. Now the clients tell us that they just love sitting out on this covered porch, enjoying dinner, listening to nature. But let's go back inside and show you where the main dining is. Now whether you're enjoying dinner out on the covered porch or back here in the dining room, you're definitely not sacrificing the view with this impressive window. And speaking of the windows, again, look how balanced we are. We've lined up the table with the center window and even the beam above. And speaking of the table, this was custom built by the builder using a live edge slab provided by Golden Eagle Log and Timber Homes. And just off the great room is the master suite. Let's go take a look inside. Now, even though this is a lofted home, we still have the benefit of a vaulted ceiling here. The master suite sits just outside the lofted area, and that allows us to extend the ceilings here. We have the same beam structure that we had out in the great room, but in here, we're introducing a new lighter ceiling finish with our Springbrook tongue and groove. This is a great display of how you can incorporate wood with drywall. In this case, we've got hand-hewn tongue and groove on the perimeter walls and drywall on the interior wall. A lot of customers love doing that. And one of my favorite spaces of this entire home is this screen porch. A screen porch was a must-have for these clients. And the way we designed it off the main covered porch, we're not sacrificing any views. Now there's a lot to talk about in the master bathroom. The first thing is the double vanity. I really like how we extended the center section, giving it designated spaces for his and hers. We have the leathered granite rock chip countertop. We're using hickory cabinets, and we've even got motion censored toe lighting below that turns on when you get up in the middle of the night. On top, we've got dual copper vessel sinks that tie in with this beautiful copper tub. Now the client specifically wanted to be able to still see out the windows when using the tub. So Golden Eagle's design team extended the bottom of the windows down so no views were sacrificed. Right behind me we have the walk-in closet, but let's talk about the shower. What makes this shower unique is it's set up for his and her controls. Each side features a handheld wand on a slide bar, allowing you to set your preference at height. Up above, you have the overhead rain shower, and on each side, you have individual temperature controls, making each side custom for your personal setting.